This is April, John, and Panya. Là bé lên thả cho chị cho hông chua hông lệnh là cũng có thia có thổ bây giờเราhai tia béเราtới chơi chua lo rồi ít kia gì qua nữa bé giờ đây hông lệnh hông chua là thia khu hai tia là chọn lần tiêu bố đi cái trái có thổ là chọn thả tiêu bố cái trái có thổ tiêu bố chị cho có thổ. They are the striped Hmong. They changed their outfits as they moved to Laos, and these are the Hmong people living in the northern Laos area. The arms have stripes. That's why they're called striped Hmong. And this is Bang and Michelle, and they're demonstrating this outfit very well, as it's very traditional as well. The coins, although you have to have money to wear silver, and if you don't have money or you're not wealthy, you will not have silver. The silverware comes later on when the Hmong families are able to have a little wealth to have these silvers born. Usually when they in the middle of Laos, I'm going back and forth in English and Hmong here, so please forgive me if I forget to say something in either Hmong or English. But this is the group in the middle of Laos. Là do Hmong lâu, là chỉ Hmong đâu là cô chuyện hạt tiền đâu thiệt, Hmong đâu là cô hãy sau hãy thì cho lừa Hmong đâu thiệt. Chỉ ốc nó cỡ sâu tàu hãy tiền cỡ họ ốc cái người nhau hồ lợi để thấm lò. Tụi tôi cô chuyện hạt đâu cho chuyện chẳng em Hmong lâu thiệt vậy thằng này trả đâu gì cô là vì thiệt tôi sẽ cần chữ thiệt. Vì chỉ tuần thay nào nếu cô hạt còn chẳng thiệt. Lỡ xe xe mà lỡ xe cũng không xe thế thì xe này nó không không chúa thì nên chưa có xả đi ra. That's not in the Tony I have Tia and Jeffrey. They're both wearing black Hmong. Có lần nào Hondu, black Hmong lives in the southern area of Laos. They live near the city. They live near the doctors, the hospital. So it was a little bit easier for them to get the education, a little bit easier to get to the city. But we all know, all the Hmong families living in Laos all have the same struggle. As 100, out of 100 people, only 1 or 2 will go to school in the city. Next, we have Hmong Nỏ Heng, or the red hat Hmong. These Hmong, besides the 4 traditional Hmong I just spoke about, the 4 behind you are the 4 traditional Hmong. These Hmong actually live in between the black Hmong and the white Hmong, which is the Hmong Lao. They're a small little group in the middle of that area. If you can take a look at Chelsea and Jonathan's outfit, you can see that Chelsea is wearing something similar to what Fania is wearing in the back for black Hmong, but the hat is just a little bit different. They're just a smaller group in between those 2 groups that just came before them. And then I wanted to share this on my own, the Chinese Hmong, because we did leave a lot of our family members back in China. There are still 3 million people, Hmong people living in China. Stacy and Bella, her Maltese, are wearing the Chinese Hmong outfit. That was a really popular trend back in the 1990s here, and even in Stockton and California in the United States, because it was lightweight. It wasn't as heavy as the other outfits with the coins. So it was more desirable to wear amongst a lot of young women. And it has went out of style, but then there are some new styles that look similar to this Hmong Chinese outfit. Hey Stacy, theo như tôi áo quần bé là nó đó lên hả mong sủa bây giờ mong sủa chỉ mua bây thiên linh là chỉ đau chăn nhau tới thiếu sủa kia do thì cho nó nên do thổ chuyện đấy nó biết cú trời thả thì chỉ nó chỉ muốn thả lờiแต่nó biết thả cho nó ban đầu thì lên gì rồi ở lên do cái về thả cho modernize chỉ cho không có nhiều chỗ sống thì là nó biết thả nên chỉ mà lúc cho lúc tiên thì rồi nhỏ thì chỉ lúc cầu ngỏ đi khỏi họ mong liếc hậu lửa phía đi họ chỉ quan trọng đi mong sẵn cũng cho mong sẵn lúc phía mong sẵn phía thì nó cũng hùa không nhờ chuột giống. So if you take a little closer look at Lindsay and Papao, their outfits are similar to the black Hmong, but their hat is different. Their hat is similar to the red hat Hmong. It's a mixture of both, and that's why they call these the modernized outfits. And these are very desirable by a lot of Hmong women, especially the younger Hmong women right now, because they're easy to wear, they're lightweight, and you see some of the coins, not a lot of coins. And there's a lot of beads too, but not as much as the one Stacy and Bella was wearing earlier for Chinese Hmong. And then next, just a few more, go ahead. Modernized outfits. And this is Prue and Abby and Cindy. And they're wearing the modernized outfit. And it's a little bit different. It's a little bit creative with a flower on the side just to make it look pretty. And these are the outfits that are worn today amongst a lot of young Hmong women. As you can see, we have a lot more gals participating than guys. Because a lot of the guys' outfit will look very similar to the first three guys that are standing there. And a lot of the girls' outfit are the ones that are taking a lot of changes. And they are wearing, Mala and Christy are wearing modernized striped Hmong. So you take a look at Mala and Christy, and you take a look at Michelle in the back. Michelle's outfit is really plain and black. And Mala and Christy, their outfit are really bright, colorful, and sparkling, and lightweight too. The coins are not as heavy. And Kevin is wearing a really traditional outfit too, because a lot of the male outfits still looks very similar to this. Can you please come to the front so everyone can see you closer? Okay, Mala. You do If you want to take a picture, here's your chance. So don't be shy, you can come in the front. They will stay here for a few seconds just to take a picture. I know lunch is getting close and we had a few delays, so I'm sure everyone's very hungry. But come to the front if you'd like to take some pictures. And please do give them another applaud if you feel that they did a really great job today, because I'm so proud of them. They're wonderful students. I'm just so happy I had this opportunity to work with all of them. Thank you so much for watching our fashion show, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the Hmong New Year Festival today, and enjoy your lunch. Thank you so much. 我朝你好多公会同老天都是那边考 fashion show 天，这剧上了肯定啥都辛苦每天。